Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, the king of hidden gems. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually on the radar, not many people mention them, and I think you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you, and this update is for the this one is famous tea rose. If you know anything about if your favorite is rose, you definitely know this brand and this fragrance. It has been around for a long time, 1977, and it is based majority on rose. Again, 95% rose, 5% other things like a little bit of citrus, a little bit of woodiness, but 95% is rose. And the rose here is fresh rose, and it's green rose. It's not a jammy rose, it's not a sweet rose, it's not a dark rose. No, this is a bright, happy green rose. Quite realistic, and when you smell it, it's like you're smelling a bouquet of roses with their the greenery comes with it, like the leaves and the stems and all that things. Overall is highly recommended if you like rose. This one is aimed or marketed for ladies, but to me this is unisex. You can, if you like rose, you can easily carry it. 30 and up to be on the safe side because it's quite mature. Also, this one is very good for layering. If you like, for example, if you have something that is very deep amber or quite fruity, or let's say on the woody side, and it doesn't have any floral, this is good for layering with that. So it's very good for layering. In terms of performance, 6 to 8 hours on my skin. If you put on t-shirt, it goes longer. My wife's telling me, because my wife went through a few bottles of this, is one of her favorite. I love it when she puts it on, and also sometimes I crave for it and I do it myself. I put it on me myself. She tells me that this used to be a big small 12 hours plus, but these days when you buy it, around 6 to 8 hours. If you put on the clothing, a little bit longer. So a working day is quite acceptable for ADT. The projection is very good for the first 2 hours, and then slowly subside. It's a house filler, a room filler for the first 2 hours. Is very loud. And also this one is better suited for warmer weather, but you can rock it all year round because of that rose. It just basically uplifts you. It puts a smile on your face. If you wear in winter and the dark, this one, it will make you a little bit, the mood will change to a better mood, a happier mood, because of that summery rose in here. Overall, highly recommend it, but as always, you need to like this kind of fragrances. Very heavy on the rose and almost nothing else, and also it's very floral. Okay, so you need to like these things to like it, but I love it to bits. I think it's one of the best rose out there for the money. Okay, if you go more, obviously you get better. This one you can find 120 ml for under £20, and that is very good value for money. You can find maybe better roses for much higher prices, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, £100, and almost on even more. But for the price, for what you get, is very good. So overall, I enjoyed it. I like it. I enjoyed it very much, and I highly recommend it. This is marketed towards ladies, but men can pull it up if they like this kind of fragrances. And also you need to be a mature person in terms of nose, in terms of personality, to pull this one off. Okay, alright, so today let's go to today's unboxing first impression, and this is a house or a brand that I don't know anything about. It's another Middle Eastern brand. They came out in 2020. They started to release fragrances. So far they have something like 10 fragrances in lineup. person recommended this one to me. They said, listen, for the money, they smell very good. So I thought, okay, I'll give it a try, at least one from this brand, from this house, to see how they go. If they're good, then I can recommend them. If they're not good, then we'll forget about them. Okay, so this is, it's called the Beit al-Bakhoor, which is means house of Bakhoor. Bakhoor is incense, so the house of incense. And this is in particular is Ya Gaali, Ya Gaali, or means you dear. Yeah, you the dear. Okay, you darling, or something like that. This one is a unisex eau de parfum, 100 ml. It's, as always, Middle Eastern houses, they give you nice box. Look at this texture, beautiful design. Attention to details everywhere. They always give you the best of whatever they have, plus the kitchen sink. So the box is very nice. The presentation under £15. I'll pay under £15 for this. And let's go to the bottle and look at the bottle. The bottle looks £100 plus. Okay, and this is what I like about Middle Eastern brands, because they don't skimp on things. They give you everything for what they what you're paying for. Very, very heavy bottle, super heavy cap. My goodness, a half a kilo cap. It's a combination of metal and plastic, and it's got attention to detail. It's got like the logo of how Beit al-Bakhoor, and very, very pretty overall bottle. Let's go with the atomizer. Very, very good atomizer. So again, the Middle Eastern brands, they never disappoint, especially for the money, under £20, let's say. And wow, it's filling the room already. Goodness me, it's huge. All right, let's go. Here we go. Sweet. A little of incense. Floral. What is that in the background? It's something spicy in the background. So this is the first sniff. I never sniffed this before, or from this house, anything before, but Mamma mia, what a quality. The opening is gorgeous. The opening is like £100 plus pounds or $1 fragrance. Is superbly done, very balanced, very nicely done. It's good quality. The first thing that hits you is the quality. How can they do it for such a beautiful bottle and presentation, and the good juice for under £20? That is amazing. Oh my goodness, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's quite leathery, it's quite woody. Yeah, it's got a big leather at the moment. So let me read you the ingredients and we take it from there. So this one in particular came out 2020. There's no perfumer as usual, and it says unisex, top note vanilla, spices and woody notes, not a surprise. Middle notes musk floral, not a surprise. And in the base we have spicy and agarwood. So yeah, this is what I was smelling anyway. So it is quite woody as well. The oud is at the moment is a background, but the main thing I'm getting is that beautiful, sweet, spicy leather plus the vanilla. This is the biggest things. Plus the leather is at the moment is the background, plus the agarwood, which is the oud. But what an opening and what a gorgeous fragrance is. But it has got that DNA of Middle Eastern fragrances. Okay, it's a spicy, it's very oriental. It reminds you of Middle East and East. So it is Eastern style of fragrances, and you need to like this kind of fragrance to like it. Mamma mia, but what a gorgeous. It's got underlying greenness to it as well. It's quite leafy. I don't know what is that, where does that come from, but it's quite floral as well. I'm getting a little bit of rose and a little bit of jasmine, so there's a body of floral to it as well, but completely unisex. Yes, I agree with it. Men and women can easily pull it up. But what an opening. Very, very nice. As I said, it smells much more expensive what I paid for. I paid under £20, but it smells like £100 plus. So For the opening, yes, I'm loving it. Beautiful. This one is better for cooler weather because of those heavy notes, especially the vanilla and the agarwood and the leather, making it quite a cooler weather fragrance. And also it's a little bit on the mature side, so I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side for now. I will let you know in the next video the development, the longevity and good things like that, but right now, beautiful. Bargain. That is amazing. Okay, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative, if you find it in any way shape valuable, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future upload, share this video with others, and if you like to support me in any way shape, you could hit that heart button in the bottom of the video, or you could buy one of my fragrances which are out of this world and they are super beast mode. It's up to you, but you need to live in the United Kingdom. Unfortunately, I get messages almost every day, please send it to Asia, to America, to Europe, to Africa, but unfortunately I cannot do that because of the I'm not going to swear. The post when you mention perfume, it's like you're mentioning radioactive or nuclear weapon or chemical work, something like that. Okay, but if you are a lucky one and you live in the United Kingdom, try one of my fragrances. You will be amazed. Okay, thank you very much guys for joining me. As always, I will see you later. Bye.